Okay, we're back at our machine learning series. Now we have AWS SageMaker. We're trying AWS SageMaker Canvas. It's something that's drag and drop and easy to use. We use our own sample data set. We just loaded a small data set as well. It's got 70 columns, 4,000 rows. And let's look at that data set. So you have the age, you have the job, you have marital status, education, if they defaulted on their loans, you have their balance. I think this one's in euros. You have your housing, you have a housing um, indicated by binary. If you have a housing loan, what type of contact you were called by the agent, uh, day of that month, duration in seconds, the type of campaign, um, previous days, -1 if you weren't called by that agent, and the previous days by the campaign, the outcome of that transaction if you bought a credit product or not. So it's again, it's classified to the target variable of y as yes or no. And then we have our build. We selected the target column as y, so that's our target column. And then we ran it through. It took me around 2 minutes to run the machine learning. And then you can also analyze how your model worked. It's around 88.84%. It's pretty good as well. And you can see some scoring here. Just go here. You can look at your true positives. All true positives are predicted as those who bought the product and predicted by the machine, but we also have some false negatives and we also have some false positives as well. But for me, I just want to look at true positives and in the false negatives because I want to sell my product. Not really concerned for the true negative, those who didn't buy and who also predicted to not buy but actually bought. So you have your precision here, you have your recall, you have area under the curve, and you have your F1 score. Okay, so you can also predict it by a single prediction or batch prediction. So if you have another data set that you want to predict, and you can use the batch prediction, or you have your endpoint here for a single prediction. I think you can modify your values to predict in real time. So let's take a look at that. Just wait for a load. So you have here the values that you want to change, or you want to change on. So you can change this to your previous days. Still a no. Put your balance. Put your balance 300. And previously called times. Still a no. Just look at other variables here. Let's say it's like 5 seconds. So it's still a no, but that's okay. So that's it for my sample demo for AWS SageMaker Canvas. Pretty easy to use. I'll recommend it if you want no code as well. But if you want to run Jupyter notebooks, that's also available. We have that in another session. Thank you guys.